This entire chain animation is made with real physics, no keyframes. Let's create a realistic chain animation in Blender using rigid body physics. I start by modeling a single chain link using a torus, then duplicate and rotate it to create the basic chain structure. With the array modifier, I extend the chain and control the spacing so the links don't touch each other. I add a UV sphere and move it to the chain tip. Then I separate the chain by loose parts so each link can interact physically. Then I add rigid body physics for the chain. I select the top cube, add a rigid body and set the rigid body type to passive. I also set the collision shape to mesh. Then I select any link in the chain and add an active rigid body. I set the collision shape to mesh, also lower the collision margin. It helps maintain stable, accurate physical interactions. I hold Shift and select the other pieces, go to the Object menu, Rigid Body, and copy from Active. Let's play the simulation. That's it! Next, I create stacked boxes using array modifiers. Then I separate the boxes by loose parts. I set origin points to the geometry center. I select any box and add an active rigid body. I set the mass value to 0.2 kilograms. I open the Dynamics panel and enable the deactivation and start deactivated options. This keeps the boxes still until something hits them. I copy the rigid body settings to all boxes. Finally, I add a passive plane to interact with the boxes. After increasing the sphere's mass, the chain collapses the boxes naturally. The full tutorial is on my channel. Subscribe for more Blender physics tutorials.